you know that chemicals are always around us, no matter what we are doing? In general, you can see that humans use chemicals in many aspects of their life, including health, transport, agriculture, and industries. Chemicals play important roles in improving human life. More importantly, we should handle chemicals systematically and carefully. Otherwise, chemicals can unexpectedly harm our health and the environment. For example, improper use of agricultural chemicals may result in contaminated crops. So chemicals can harm not only the people who use them, but also consumers. Efforts to manage chemical use in Thailand started in 1995. Recognizing the importance of this matter, the government formed the National Committee on Chemical Safety, having the Permanent Secretary for Public Health as chairman and the Food and Drug Administration as the Secretariat. In 1997, the first National Master Plan on Chemical Safety was officially announced. That marked the beginning of Thailand's systematic management of chemicals. 9 years later, the cabinet included chemical management in its national agenda. It formed a national committee on strategy development for chemical management. The Prime Minister chaired the committee. The Food and Drug Administration, the Department of Agriculture, the Pollution Control Department, and the Department of Industrial Works were the Secretariat team. It was tasked with developing the policies that suited the national contexts. In the following year, a national strategic plan on chemical management was officially announced. It was implemented for more than 10 years until the end of 2018. In 2019, the National Committee on Strategy Development for Chemical Management was replaced with a National Committee on Chemical Management Policies, and a Master Plan on Chemical Management was drafted for the implementation from 2019 to 2037, in accordance with national strategies. Later, the Master Plan on Chemicals Management was replaced with the Chemicals Management Plan of Thailand. Vision of the Chemicals Management Plan is that Thailand has comprehensive and efficient chemical management for protecting the quality of life and the environment, in compliance with national strategies and sustainable development goals. In the Chemicals Management Plan, there are 5 strategies. Strategy 1. Enhancing efficiency in monitoring and managing chemicals. The strategy sets measures to expand capabilities to monitor and manage chemicals at national, regional, and local levels. This strategy also aims at improvement of chemicals management laws and their enforcement. Strategy 2. Developing big data system management, assessing risks, and setting standards. It comprises 3 parts. 1. Developing and integrating databases. 2. Evaluating risks. And 3. Enhancing the capabilities of chemical laboratories and setting standards. Strategy 3. Raising awareness and changing behaviors of production and consumption. This is to create better understanding with all parties and promote the proper and safe use of chemicals. Strategy 4. Reducing risks of chemicals in agricultural, health, industrial, and transport sectors. Importantly, careful use of chemicals without negligence, ignorance, and recklessness is key to reduce chemical hazards. Complying with chemical use instructions. Avoiding excessive chemical use in cultivation, and preventing chemical leakage during transportation that may lead to a horrific incident. Strategy 5. Doing research and development to create knowledge and innovations that support all dimensions of chemicals management. For several innovations that can be used to replace highly hazardous chemicals. The 5 strategies create comprehensive chemicals management, which covers imports, production, transportation, sales, storage, use, treatment, disposal, and reuse. There are three goals for the implementation of the Chemicals Management Plan. 1. People are safe and chemical impacts on public health are reduced. 2. The environment is clean and less contaminated with chemicals. There must not be illegal disposal of chemicals or hazardous waste. And 3. Thai products meet international standards. Who will implement the plan? The implementation is the responsibility of all parties involved in chemical use. They include the government sector, the private sector, academics, and the civil society. This concerns everyone in Thailand. It is clear that the Chemicals Management Plan, set for implementation from 2019 to 2037, is crucial to chemicals management in Thailand. It is the road to development. It is time for all parties to contribute to the successful implementation of Thailand Chemicals Management Plan in accordance with national strategies.